Wait. If someone smiled at you today and asked, "Hi, tell me about yourself," would you know what to say? Most English learners don't, but don't worry. In this lesson, you'll learn how to introduce yourself naturally using simple English that you can use at school, work, interviews, while travelling, or whenever you meet someone new. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to introduce yourself with confidence. So relax. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Let's begin. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. They smile and say, "Hi, tell me about yourself." Don't panic. The first step is always to greet the other person. You can simply say, "Hi." Repeat after me. "Hi." Again. "Hi." Excellent. You can also say, "Hello." Repeat after me. "Hello." Great. Now introduce yourself. The easiest sentence is, "I'm Emma." Repeat after me. "I'm Emma." Again. "I'm Emma." Perfect. You can also say, "My name is Emma." Repeat after me. "My name is Emma." Excellent. Both are correct. However, in everyday conversations, native speakers usually say, "I'm Emma," because it sounds shorter and more natural. Now pause the video and say your own name. Great job. Next question. How old are you? A simple answer is, "I'm 20 years old." Repeat after me. "I'm 20 years old." Again, "I'm 20 years old." Excellent. Native speakers often shorten it. They simply say, "I'm 20." Repeat after me. "I'm 20." Perfect. Now pause the video and say your real age. Excellent work. Let's continue. Someone asks, "Where are you from?" You can answer, "I'm from Canada." Repeat after me. "I'm from Canada." Excellent. Another example. "I'm from Australia." Repeat after me. "I'm from Australia." Great. Just replace the country with your own. Now another question. Where do you live? For example, "I live in Toronto." Repeat after me. "I live in Toronto." Again, "I live in Toronto." Excellent. Now let's put everything together. Hi, I'm Emma. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Canada. I live in Toronto. Nice to meet you. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and introduce yourself using these 4 sentences. Take your time. Speak clearly. Amazing. You're already speaking English with confidence. Now let's move to the next step and learn how to talk about your education and your job. Great job! Now that you know how to say your name, age, and where you're from, let's make your introduction even better. Imagine the other person smiles and asks, "So what do you do?" If you're a student, simply say, "I'm a student." Repeat after me. "I'm a student." Again, "I'm a student." Excellent. You can also say, "I study at university." Repeat after me. "I study at university." Great. If you're in high school, you can say, "I'm a high school student." Repeat after me. "I'm a high school student." Perfect. Now let's learn another common question. What do you study? You can answer discussed, "I study computer science." Repeat after me. "I study computer science." Excellent. Here are a few more examples. "I study business." "I study English." "I study engineering." Remember, simply replace the subject with your own. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and answer. What do you study? Great, let's continue. If you already have a job, someone may ask, "What do you do?" You can answer, "I'm a teacher." Repeat after me. "I'm a teacher." Excellent. Another example. "I'm a software engineer." Repeat after me. "I'm a software engineer." Great. You can also say, "I work in marketing." Repeat after me. "I work in marketing." Very good. Now let's talk about family. Someone may ask, "Tell me about your family." A simple answer is, "There are 4 people in my family." Repeat after me. "There are 4 people in my family." Excellent. You can continue by saying, "I live with my parents." Repeat after me. "I live with my parents." Great. Or, "I have 1 brother and 1 sister." Repeat after me. I have one brother and one sister. Excellent. Now let's put everything together. Hi. I'm Emma. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Canada. I live in Toronto. I'm a university student. I study computer science. There are 4 people in my family. I live with my parents. Nice to meet you. Amazing. Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself again. This time, include your education and your family. Take your time. Speak slowly. Remember, confidence is more important than speed. Excellent. Now let's make your introduction even more interesting by talking about your hobbies, your interests, and your future goals. Excellent. But if you really want to impress someone, let's add your hobbies, interests, and future goals. These simple sentences make your introduction more personal and more memorable. Let's begin. Someone asks, "What do you like to do in your free time?" You can answer, "I enjoy reading books." Repeat after me. I enjoy reading books. Excellent. Another example. I like listening to music. Repeat after me. I like listening to music. Great. You can also say, I love playing football. Repeat after me. I love playing football. Excellent. Or, I enjoy watching movies. Repeat after me. I enjoy watching movies. Perfect. Remember, use real hobbies. That makes your introduction sound natural. Now pause the video. Think about your favourite hobby. Say it in English. Wonderful. Now let's learn another important question. What are your interests? You can answer, I'm interested in technology. Repeat after me. I'm interested in technology. Excellent. Another example. I'm interested in learning new languages. Repeat after me. I'm interested in learning new languages. Fantastic. Now let's talk about your future goals. Someone may ask, what are your future plans? A simple answer is, I want to become a software engineer. Repeat after me. I want to become a software engineer. Excellent. Another example. My goal is to speak English fluently. Repeat after me. My goal is to speak English fluently. Great. Now let's combine everything you've learned so far. Listen carefully. Hello. I'm Emma. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Canada and I live in Toronto. I'm a university student and I study computer science. There are 4 people in my family. I enjoy reading books and listening to music. I'm interested in technology. My goal is to become a software engineer and speak English confidently. It's nice to meet you. Excellent. Now let's fix a few common mistakes. Don't say, I study computer science. Instead, say, I study computer science. Don't say, I liked playing football. Instead, say, I like playing football. Or, I like to play football. Both are correct. Another mistake. I want to become a teacher. Correct sentence. I want to become a teacher. Remember, the small word to is very important. Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself again. This time include your name, your age, where you're from, where you live, your education, your family, your hobbies, and your future goal. Take your time, speak slowly. Excellent. Fantastic. You've learned every part of a strong self-introduction. Now it's time to put everything together. First, just listen. Don't repeat yet. Imagine you've just met someone for the first time. They smile and ask, "Tell me about yourself." Here's a natural answer. Hi, I'm Emma. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Canada and I live in Toronto. I'm a university student and I study computer science. There are 4 people in my family and I enjoy spending time with them. In my free time, I like reading books, listening to music, and learning new things. I'm interested in technology and my goal is to become a software engineer. I'm also working hard to improve my English because I believe it will help me in my studies, my career, and when I travel around the world. It's nice to meet you. Simple, natural, and confident. Now let's practice together. This time repeat after me. Ready? Hi, I'm Emma. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Canada. I live in Toronto. I'm a university student. Mind. I study computer science. Small. There are 4 people in my family. I enjoy reading books and listening to music. I'm interested in technology. My goal is to become a software engineer. I'm learning English every day, soon. It's nice to meet you. Excellent. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and introduce yourself without looking at the screen. Don't worry if you forget a word, just keep speaking. Remember, confidence doesn't come from knowing every English word. Confidence comes from speaking again and again. Every mistake is a lesson. Every sentence makes you stronger. Every day you practice, your English becomes better. Here's today's challenge. Record your own self-introduction in English. Try to speak for at least 1 minute without stopping. Then listen to your recording. Notice your pronunciation. Notice your confidence. Tomorrow, record it again. You'll be surprised by how much you improve. And here's one final tip. Don't memorize your introduction like a robot. Understand the sentences. Speak naturally, smile, and be yourself. People connect with confidence, not perfection. You've done an amazing job today. Keep practicing these sentences until they become natural. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Excellent work. Today, you've taken one more step towards speaking English with confidence. Remember, fluency doesn't come from watching videos. It comes from speaking every single day. So here's your challenge. Practice today's lesson for at least 10 minutes. Say every sentence out loud, record your voice, and listen to yourself. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. And don't worry about making mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward fluency. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Navya and turn on notifications so you never miss our next English lesson. In the next video, we'll learn another real-life English conversation that you can start using immediately. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep growing. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.